Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021 question. Question number 12. In class 10th, 11th, 12th of a school, there are 5, 6, 8 students respectively. The number of ways of selection of 10 students such that at least 2 students are selected from each of the classes and at most 5 students together can be selected from class 10th and 11th are k into 100. Then the value of k is what? So this is the question in the house of integer type question. And the question is from JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021. So here from 10th we have to select 5 student respectively. From 11, 6, from 12 we have to select class 8 student. So from 10, 11 and 12, how can we select the students? So here 2 student and 6. So so there is 10. Now second one is 2, 3, 5. Third one is 3, 2, 5. So there at least 2 students are taken each and every classes, and this could be happened in the ways that is 5C 2s into 6C 2s into 8C 6s. Now second one, this could be it is 5C 2s into 6C 3s and 6C 3s and 8, and it is 8, 6, 5s. So now third one is taken just 5C 3s into 6C 2s into 8C 5s. So now adding all these in total. So therefore total number is adding everything. So the total number is equal to, after adding each and every elements and multiplied and adding, we get this is 23800. So the addition of this one is this. So now this is equal to what? This is equal to k into 100. Then the value of k we should calculate. Therefore 100 into k is equal to what? 23800. That implies k is equal to what? A is equal to 238. So we reached, it is our required answer. So this is the whole solution of question 12. Now moving to question 13. So question 13 tells us, if a series is given here, that is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube up to infinity, it's to the power log of 2.5 base is here, and another series is the power that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 go up to ... Then this is, if this is equal to L, then L square is equal to what? So this is the question of sequence and in the house of sequence and series, and it's also a memory based question and question from JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021. So now let's suppose this series is equal to x. So x is equal to what? 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube plus up to ... infinity. Now x minus 1 is equal to what? X minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube plus dot 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 infinity. Now this one is equal to so 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 into x minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3 square plus c by so it is 2 by 3 square. Now c by 6 by x, 6 by it is 3 cube plus dot 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 up to infinity. It is 6, so it is 2 up then after it is 6 by x cube. Now when we now just subtracting this from this, so here we get sign changes, so it become 2 by 3 into x minus 1, and this series become 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square plus 4 by 3 cube plus up to dot dot dot, just like this. So now this one is form and GP, so it is 2 by 3 is fixed here, and this is form and GP, so it is so sum of the GP is 4 by 3 square divide 1 minus 1 by 3. So now this is equal to 2 by 3 plus it is, after calculating we get 2 by 3. So here we get it is 4 by 3. So now 2 by 3 x plus x minus 1, that is equal to what? 4 by 3. So here we get x is equal to what? 3. So it is our this portion value is equal to 3. So this one, if we imagine this one is x, that is equal to 3. So now calculating this series. So this series is, let's suppose this was is equal to y. So it is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube plus dot dot dot. So this one series is y, and y's value is this. So let's calculate this sum. This is also GP. So sum of the GP is 1 by 3 divide 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 3 by 2 by 3. So it is half. So now this is 3 to the power log 0.25, and this one. So now the whole series become 3 to the power. The final series is, therefore this one is equal to 3 to the power log of this is 0.25, that means 1 by 4 is base here, and it is 1 by 2. So now this one is equal to what? This one is equal to L is given. So now that implies L is equal to what? After calculating, this one is 1 by 2, 3 to the power. So it is 3 to the power half is equal to L. So that implies we should calculate the value of L square. So L square is equal to what? L square is equal to 3. So we reached, it is our required solution. So these are the two solutions. If you have any query, any questions, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.